Everyone, so today I'm going to tell you about Qcoin invite and earn promotion where you can earn up to a iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, this is the event period from 22nd May to 29 May, where task 1 is what if you invite friends to complete their deposit purchase with an equivalent of 50 or more USDT, you will get a lucky draw. And task 2 is here, where if you invite any friends and they complete their first trade of more than 100 USDT, then you will get the second lucky draw. Okay, after that, what you can get from this draw, you can see your draw here, and these are the rewards which you can get after you make after you get any draws. Okay, so here are the rules, and you will only get if you invite friends and if they complete the task. So kindly join my channel so that I can give you more updates on this type of promotions. Okay, thank you guys.